welcome to today's video, which is my new desk upgrade. So I've been wanting to upgrade my desk for quite a bit some time, and I finally got all the items, and I'm super excited to show you guys along the way all the new accessories and like everything I did to improve it. I've been using my new desk setup for about 1 month now, and I've been meaning to film this video, but things got sidetracked. I was procrastinating, but you know what's worse than procrastination is not getting your tasks done. So at least I am here, I am alive, and I am well, and I'm gonna give you guys this fun desk tour upgrade. So let's get into the video. So to start off, here was my simple desk setup. However, there were some issues, mainly because I had to hunch a lot to see the screen because my head was at like a 45-degree angle, but I really wanted it to be a 90-degree angle, but that wouldn't work if I had my arms bent like this, so it just didn't make sense ergonomically. Therefore, I really needed an upgrade, so some changes are coming. I got a bunch of different accessories from Grovemade, which is a wooden desk accessory company. They make really high quality items. This is a monitor stand, and I'm going to put my new monitor on here from BENQ. BENQ sent me this 28-inch monitor, and it was honestly really simple to set up. It took me like, I'd say 20 minutes, and all you gotta do is plug in a bunch of different cords. I'll leave instructions how to do this in like the link. I'm not going to explain it that much in depth. And right here is the BENQ ScreenBar, which basically lights up my entire computer screen, especially at night. It's really nice. It's like a touch type of screen bar. So if I'm typing and it gets dark, I can light it up, or if I just want more light in the area, it's really great. Next here is my MacBook adapter. So to connect your MacBook to a screen, you're gonna need an HDMI port, but the MacBook doesn't come with one, so you're gonna need an adapter and connect it. So the monitor stand has this little nook you can put different things in, so I decided to put the adapter in there because it fits perfectly, and then I'm going to slide in my new laptop stand. It's really simple and minimalistic. I honestly love it, plus it just slides right in, so it's super compact. Along with my 16-inch MacBook, which is basically powering the entire setup, and then I plug it into the MacBook adapter and then charge it. Then all I gotta do is turn on my widescreen monitor, and ta-da, magic, witchcraft, all of that stuff happens and it just turns on. It's pretty fantastic, and plus it also allows for dual screens, so I can have my MacBook open but also the giant screen, so it's like, wow, 2 at a time. And honestly, I really love this because they're also connected in the way that you can slide tabs with each other. So usually what I like doing is maybe researching something on my MacBook and then writing it up on my monitor, even watching a video on the side or like a movie. Next is a keyboard mat. I have been wanting one of these for a while for my keyboard. I am like obsessed with keyboards, especially the ones with the flashy lights. Those really get me. And I also have a few different keyboards, so we're just gonna go through a nice sound test right now. Lately, I've been really enjoying my Vissles keyboard. It also came with a wrist rest, which has honestly been a savior considering I think I have like carpal tunnel syndrome. And then I got some keycaps from Banggood, so I decided, you know what, let's go put these on the new Vissles keyboard, and they're like ice cream themed, which is really cute. Anyway, I've been really vibing with this whole keyboard setup lately. To the right is my Apple Magic Trackpad, which is basically a fancy mouse, except I do a lot of video editing, so the trackpad really comes in handy, but sometimes I use my mouse when the trackpad is charging because it's wireless and you need to charge it. It doesn't have batteries. However, with the mat, I can always push it away and still have lots of room for my iPad and to do other things. It's not like fully covered by the keyboard mat. Next here is my BENQ lamp. I got this last year, I think, and it's been really nice. It's just an extra lamp, although my room is pretty well lit. Here is the Grovemade iPad stand. Lately, I've actually been using it as a phone stand because I like using this app called Flipped, which is basically a Pomodoro timer, and I guess it just helps me keep track of my time when I procrastinate and don't do my tasks. Next here are some coasters. They're pretty simple. I'm like a room eater, so I like eating food in my room. I know it's bad for like bugs and all that stuff, but you know what? We're gonna eat in my room. Next, we got a Bluetooth speaker so I can have that crisp audio. You know what I'm talking about? In the corner right here, we have an upright laptop stand, although it's meant to put your computer in there when you like charge it and stuff, but since I already have the other MacBook stand, it doesn't really make sense to have like both of them because I only have one laptop. So I usually put my iPad in here and charge it. And speaking of my iPad, here I usually have it in the corner too. And I also have a bunch of different cases. This is the Logitech SlimFolio. This is the Brydge Max Plus, which basically turns your iPad into like this MacBook computer looking thing. It has a really nice trackpad too, or sometimes I'll actually use the iPad stand to put my iPad in, but generally I don't. And then now we'll more get into the furniture. Here is my IKEA chair. Pretty simple, just a white chair. It swivels, it goes up and down. As a child, I've always wanted one to spin around, but guess what? I finally got it. And then now the desk. This is from FlexiSpot, and it's a standing desk. I've been using this for about 8 months, and I honestly love it. Plus, I also have lots of cords. If you think this is just like one cord, no, this is so many. It's just a tangled mess. And finally, here is a look at the end result desk setup. And also my Ergonomics Improve. So now I look at it at around a 90-degree angle, and my elbow is also bent, the perfect combination of what I was looking for. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys maybe next week. I think next week. Bye!